Hello students, welcome to the online studies. In today's session, you are going to learn about your subject Social Science of Standard 6, chapter number 14, that is Unity in Diversity. We have discussed about the discussion part, that means explanation part in our first session. This is session 2, which contains your exercise part. So let's start with the first one. Choose the correct option and you have to give the answer or you have to guess the answer. Okay, like we can have today's session as KBC for first 5 question, that is कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. In that you will have a question and 4 option in your screen and you have to guess the correct answer. So ऐसे है, इसी वे में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एंजॉय करके हम पढ़ सकते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर ये रहा. ड्यू टू व्हाट हैज इंडिया बिकम अ सब कॉन्टिनेंट? ऑप्शंस: ए स्ट्रेंज, बी ऑडिट्स, सी डाइवर्सिटीज और डी स्पेशलिस्ट. यू हैव टू गेस द आंसर. Correct. The correct answer is option C, diversities. ठीक है. Now second one. Which religion do the people of Punjab follow? Options: A Buddhism, B Zoroastrianism, C Judaism or D Sikhism. The correct answer is option D. Very good. You have given a correct answer. Now third question. Which is the famous dance of Kerala? Options: A Kathakali, B Kathak, C Kuchipudi or D Bharatanatyam. What is the answer? It is option A Kathakali. Okay. Now fourth one. Ghumar is a well-known dance of the people of which state? I hope you know the answer. Options are: A Gujarat, B Rajasthan, C Madhya Pradesh or D Kerala. So correct answer is option B Rajasthan. Last question of first one, that is choose the correct option में. Which language do the people of Kerala speak? Options: A Tamil, B Malayalam, C Kannada or D Telugu. This is little bit hard as Yes, correct answer is option B Malayalam. Okay. Now next question, that is fill in the blanks. In that first question, dash festival is celebrated with great pomp in Maharashtra? Answer is Ganesh. Second one, people of India live life with feeling of dash. Answer is cooperation. Third one, in our country girls become victims of evil customs due to lower dash rate. Correct answer is option literacy. Okay. Now fourth one, fourth FIB, dash is the famous dance of the people of Rajasthan. Answer is Ghumar. Fifth one, dash is the unique feature of our country. Answer is unity in diversity. Okay, great. Now true or false, and if the given statement is false, then you have to give the correct statement. First question. In Gujarat, the festival of Onam is celebrated with great pomp. Answer is false. So what is the correct answer? Correct statement: in Kerala, the festival of Onam is celebrated with great pomp. Okay. Now second question. All religions are given equal importance in our country. Answer is true. Third one, even today, difference based on caste are seen in Indian society. Answer is true. Okay, we have discussed that in now also, but as compared to old time, it is less. Now, last one, that is answer the following questions. In that, question number 1, which languages are spoken in our country? Answer, languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Konkani, etc. are spoken in our country. Now, second one, which religion do people follow in our country? Answer, the people of our country follow religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, and etc. Now, next one, third, why does our country become a country of diversity? You have to explain this. Answer, our country became a country of diversity in religions, languages, caste, race, economic inequalities, foods, festivals, attire, color complexions, residences, beliefs, customs, and traditional etc. Beside this, our country become a country with diversity due to its geographical factors like topography, climate, vegetation, wildlife, farming, and etc. So this is the reason why our country is known as a country of diversity. Now, question number 4, what is national unity? I have explained this answer very clearly in the explanation part, so you have to get that people of different religions, languages, and castes show a spirit of love, respect, honor, loyalty, devotion, or dedication and respect to their nation, and experiences similar feeling of unity. Then this unity is called national unity. Okay. Now, next question, that is question number 5. Unity in diversity is seen among people. You have to again explain this. Answer, India has diversities like that it is known as a subcontinent. In India, many people follow different religions, speak many languages, have diversity in cultures, celebrate different festivals. People of different races from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh live unitedly in our country. The diversities in looks, color complexion, attire, food, lifestyle, customs and traditions, etc. are also seen in the people of India. I have told this before in the previous session, that is in the explanation session, कि ये चीज़ आपको बहुत ही इजीली समझ में आएगी. क्यों? क्योंकि जो भी क्वेश्चन जो इसमें आएंगे वो इंटर रिलेटेड है. आप एक पॉइंट दूसरे के अंदर, इसमें क्वेश्चन ऐसा ही है कि एक पॉइंट दूसरे के अंदर आएगा ही, तो आपको क्या है समझने में ईजी रहेगा. However, emotional unity prevails among the countrymen. During the freedom movement, our countrymen displayed national unity possible through feelings of patriotism and sacrifice. India has followed the principle of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, that is, the whole world is a family in the world. Okay, तो यही चीज़ किसने बताई थी? इंडिया ने. Despite all the diversities in the country, all Indians live in a spirit of harmony and coexistence. द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया हैव डेवलप्ड एंड कंजर्व डाइवर्सिटी। ये चीज़ भी मैंने आपको डिटेल में बताई थी कि कोई चीज़ बनाना मुश्किल नहीं होता, लेकिन उसे प्रॉपरली यूज़ करना या फिर कंटिन्यूसली वो चीज़ चलना, ये बड़ी बात होती है। ओके, आपने मन में तो सोच लिया कि मुझे पढ़ना है, आप एक दिन पढ़ोगे, 2 दिन पढ़ोगे, फिर छोड़ दोगे, तो वो कंटिन्यूटी आती नहीं है, उसको कंजर्व हम नहीं बोल सकते। ठीक है, अगर एक बार आपने सोच लिया और आप कंटिन्यूसली पढ़ते ही हो रोज, तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? डेवलप्ड एंड कंजर्व। ठीक है, thus unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country and our culture. Okay, now next one, that is question number 6. Write in short about discrimination between girls and boys. Answer: there are biological differences between females and males. That is why there is discrimination in the upbringing of a boy and a girl. Second one, in many families today, women do household works, cooking and upbringing children. True? In the family, women don't have authority to take decision. Third point. Now, fourth point, daughters are deprived of education, healthcare and economic right from infancy. Fifth one, girls are discriminated in clothes, opportunities for study and in moving freely and in professional work. Sixth one, due to low literacy rate among girls, they have become victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, as well as other evil customs and injustice. Seventh, since birth of a son is given preference in society, women have to suffer female feticide. Last point, the less number of females in different field shows discrimination between males and females. So these are the some of the discrimination which are going on between boys and girls. Last question, you have to explain the statement that is India is a secular country. अगर ये आंसर आपको आ गया, मतलब ये चैप्टर के आप हर एक आंसर इजीली दे सकते हो। क्यों? क्योंकि पूरे एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है चैप्टर का वो आपको ये क्वेश्चन में आ गया। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया हैज गिवन द फंडामेंटल राइट ऑफ रिलीजियस फ्रीडम टू ऑल सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री. This right has given equal rights to all citizens without discrimination of religion, caste or sector in India. The government of India is not responsible to any sector or any religion. The country treats all religions as equal. So this is a very big point of our country. Fourth, no one is higher or lower in the eyes of the law of our country. Fifth one, in India, every citizen is free to follow his or her own religion. The government of India is impartial and neutral in all religious matters. Seventh point, the Constitution of India has adopted the principle of equal vision and equal attitude for all religions. ठीक है, तो ये सब पॉइंट ऐसे है जिसके वजह से क्या है, हमारी कंट्री सेक्युलर काउंट होती है. ठीक है, दिस वॉज द एंड ऑफ टूडेज सेशन विद दिस चैप्टर. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द पॉइंट. We will meet soon in the next session. Till that, stay home, stay safe.